What's going on, everybody? This is Larry Valley again, and I'm back today to talk about tools you're going to need to work on a BMW. So first off, tools that you're going to need to work on a BMW are tools. Seriously, I'm not joking. You're going to need tools, your basic tools, sockets, wrenches, ratchets, jack stand, flashlight. Come on, take a closer look. I'm going to show you some of the more special tools that you're going to need to work on BMWs. If any of you guys have seen my video on how to work on your car at night, I didn't put my headlamp in that video. So the headlamp is a good tool to work on vehicles because you don't have to use your hands. Your hands are free. You have light. So you got basic ratchets. You're gonna need all kinds of different ratchets. You're gonna need wrenches. One cool thing right here, this is specifically for BMWs and Minis. I found it was recommended by Nathan's BMW Workshop. This is a really good tool. It does 1996 to 2013 BMWs and Mini Coopers. Really good tool. It does maintenance reset, oil light reset. It does transmission codes, engine codes. It's a really good tool. If you're gonna work on BMWs and you want a cheap tool, I think it was like $65. Recommend that one right there, specifically for BMWs. Then next, you're gonna need these right here, which are the Torx. These are actually tamper-proof Torx, but you're gonna need some Torx. You're gonna need some good Allens. Which one's this one? You're gonna need some good Allens. This H7 right here is used on brake caliper bolts on most 3 Series BMWs right here, 5 Series. So this is a good one, this H7. So you're gonna need that. Okay, you're gonna need picks. Kinds of good picks for coolant lines. You need all kinds of different sizes of picks. These are my bigger picks. So you're gonna need all kinds of different picks. And these right here, I wouldn't work on BMWs without these. These are ratcheting wrenches, flex heads. I recommend getting these. These are good for the rotor bolts. The 17. Good for all kinds of different things. Oil drain bolts. So I'm going to get you guys some of those ones right there. And then let's see what else you need to work on BMW. Obviously, you're going to need all your different pliers. These ones right here are really good for the belt tensioners. This is a belt tension tool. And it definitely does work with BMW. I think it's like a 17. But it just depends on which models you're working on. So yeah, guys, like I said, you just need tools. You just need some tools to work on BMWs. On any car, but especially with BMWs. This is really good for spark plugs, magnetic spark plug set. Alright guys, a few more things you're going to need to work on BMWs efficiently. I did already talk about it already, but you need yourself some Torx and some hex. And I would just put it on its own socket rail because you're going to need these so many times for different things that I would just have your own space for it, separate space for it like I do. So get yourself some of these, good storage of your sockets. This is a 36. This works really well getting the oil canisters off. 36, some are 32s, like on my Z3 I think it's a 32, and then on my 330 it's a 36. So it just depends on what model you're working on. Go ahead and get yourself some of those. Pry bars. This pry bar is a little bit big, but get yourself some pry bars, all kinds of different sizes. You're gonna need them, especially when you're doing like valve cover gaskets, When you're doing oil pan gaskets, when you're even doing brakes, you're gonna need a little pry bar. So you're gonna get that. Again, I cannot talk about the ratcheting wrenches enough. These are gonna you need these for tight spots. You need these when you don't have enough room to have any leverage. For the brake calipers, can't go wrong with those. So you're gonna need tools, guys. To start getting started working on BMWs, you're gonna need about, I'd say if you spend right, about maybe $2,000 worth of tools. These right here, it's a wheel lock. I mean, not wheel lock kit. It's for wheel studs, the bolts. Get yourself some of these ones. They're reversible. 17, 19, 21, 22. Get yourself some of these. Get yourself a good impact gun. A good impact wrench. A good impact wrench. This is my ratchet, my 3/8 drive. You're gonna need these, a good impact gun, and yeah, with the right tools, you can work on any car, get any job done. But with BMWs, you're definitely gonna need Torx. You're gonna need e-Torx. Let me show you guys e-Torx real quick before we wrap this up. So let's take a closer look right here. You're gonna need e-Torx. Can't talk about working on a BMW without talking about e-Torx. You're gonna need these right here. Probably gonna need this tool right here. This is for the fan clutch. This is for the fan clutch on older BMWs. Get this tool. Get this tool. Alright guys, I'm Larry Valley, the mechanic. This wraps up another video. You guys have a good night.